Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we're going to make a client-server connection that consists of one PC server, three PC clients, and one printer. Don't forget, in client-server connection, we have to put a concentrator switch. And then we connect all of the devices using cable. The name of cable is copper straight-through cable. Fast Ethernet, do the same way to all devices. After that, we have to configure all of the IP addresses. Start from the server. Double-click the server and choose desktop. Click IP configuration. Here, we will use the IP address class C with the number for the third digit of IP classes. We will use the number 20. The host ID we will use from 10, and then click the subnet mask and then fill the gateway. Because we use the network ID 192.168.20, so the default gateway we use the same network ID. With the different host ID. For the default gateway, we will use 1 and then close. Configure all of the IP addresses for the clients and printer. Do the same way. The server uses the host ID is 10 and the client we will start from 11. The default gateway are same. Next, the second client. The third client. And don't forget configure the IP address for the printer too. Config fast Ethernet and then fill the IP and the subnet mask. After that, we have to check the connection between all of the devices. Start from the server, desktop, and then choose command prompt. To check the connection to the other clients, we will use the command ping space the IP address of the client. For example, we will check the IP address of client 1. Enter. If the result is reply, so the connection is good. We can do the checking for all of the clients by the same way. For example, we will check the connection to the printer. If the connection is good, we will close the desktop and then we can check the connection by sending a message using this envelope. Click the envelope and then send the message, for example, from server and client 2. If the result is successful, so our connection is good. There is nothing wrong. Do the same way if we want to check from the clients to the server. For example, from the client 3 to the server. The result is successful. Or we can check by pressing this one. Click auto capture or play. We can see the process of the exchanging information in the connection. Okay, let's try it by yourself. Good luck.